Vocal warm-ups for great technique. Hello everyone! Today we're going to do some great vocal warm-ups which support healthy singing technique. Granted, I generally do warm-ups that do that, but today we'll talk about it a bit more as we go. This set of exercises will build awareness and technique as we progress. First of all, the idea of vocal warm-ups can be semantically misleading. While we are preparing our bodies and our minds, and specifically our vocal mechanism, to sing, it's also a great time to build skills. So for me, the idea of vocal warm-ups, as opposed to skill building or vocal exercises, well, those things have quite a lot of vocal overlap in my mind. So take a moment now to check in with your alignment. We want our skeleton aligned and balanced so that our muscles can be recruited for the business of singing. This is the time to take a few relaxed breaths and bring in some light vocalization like Make sure the jaw and tongue are relaxed as you do this. As we warm up, we want to keep checking in on our alignment and our breath. Let's start with a V sound. This is going to encourage full vocal cord closure. We will sing Allow this to just slide up and down and keep checking in on breath and alignment. Here we go. Let's move to an exercise to ensure that breath is coordinated. Let's sing on ha ma ma ma. This is a slight exaggeration of our usual singing onset, but this is to explore again breath coordination. Be sure to release and recover on each inhale. The exercise sounds like this. Hum ma 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 ma. Here we go. Hum ma 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 ma. Let's explore the space and the relaxation in our vocal tract as we sing a very rounded su-lu, su-lu, su, su-lu, su. Try to keep that space neutral but lightly rounded. Here we go. Su-lu, su-lu, su, su-lu, su-lu, su, su-lu, su-lu, su, su-lu, su-lu, Check in again with your alignment, especially your head. We often tend to sit or stand with our head too far forward. Feel like a bobblehead doll. And with this feeling of relaxation, let's sing the following. This is fa-e. Here we go. Fa-e. Next up, continuing to notice alignment and natural breathing, let's sing the following. Gi, 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 gi. This gi sound will stabilize the larynx while retaining an efficient sound with focused tone. Here we go. Gi, 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 gi. 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 Now let's sing on zing, like zing, 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 zing. This will help again ensure full vocal cord closure and therefore efficient singing. Zing. Zing, 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 zing. Opening back up now, let's sing on Hawaii-o. Allow this to feel like a sigh. Here we go. Hawaii-o. 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 For this next vocal warm-up, let's think about a gentle and natural lift here at the front of the face. We want just a bit of activation here as we lift. This is an excellent exercise for short vowels. We're going to sing on pre, 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 like this. Pre, 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 pre. Your turn. Pre, 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 pre. 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 Now let's glide together into a higher range with some sirens. I'm going to use a lip trill. You can do that or sing on an E or an A or anything else that feels good to you. Covering a bit more range now, let's sing Zee-ah. Keep coming back to good natural breathing. Here we go. Zee-ah, 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 Zee-ah. a pulse on the top note. This is going to help ensure breath engagement as well as an open space for resonance. We will sing Z, ha, ha, ha. Here we go. Z, ha, 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 ha. Z, ha, 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 ha. Z, Relaxing now into a lower range for a moment, let's sing on ya, 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 like ya, ya, ya. Here we go. Finally, let's launch back into a higher range with the great vocal warm-up on Oh, how I love to sing. Oh, how I love to sing. We want to incorporate everything we've worked on so far today: relaxed alignment, natural breathing, joyful lift, and of course, have a good time while you sing it. Here we go. Oh, how I love to sing. 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 And a big sigh down. Thank you so much for singing with me today. Drop me a comment and let me know what you liked, what you're working on, and what you'd like to see more of. When you like this video, it helps more people find it. I will see you next time.